Hey guys, it's Kevin here. Today I'm here to share with you a great product for making riding your bike at night safe. So this is, it's a bike light by, hey guys, it's Kevin here. Today I'm here to share with you a product that is going to be great for all you guys that have bikes. This is an important thing to have when you are riding your bike at dusk or at night. It is a bike light, and this particular product is from Amagram. And it is very industrial looking and strong, which is why I like it. It's also very bright and flexible. So let's go into everything you're going to get when you buy this thing. First off, you're going to get a little instruction page on how to install this on your bike. You are going to get a USB micro charger. They're going to include a pack of lithium batteries, the 2032, which, so you're going to have a ton of spare because it also comes with some installed. And those will be used for installing the light that you will install on the back of your bike, which is this little guy. You just kind of wrap this over whatever size the back bar is, and it'll hold in place. And then you press the button and you'll have a red light, or you can press it again and it will blink, or a slower blink, and then off. And then you can unscrew this, and then that's where two batteries sit. So that is where the little kind of watch style batteries go. Then you are going to get the front headlight, which we'll go over this in a minute in detail. And then, of course, you're going to get a way to mount this. So the way this works is you slide your light in here, which actually I just put it backwards. You slide it this way. And then you'll tighten this until it's kind of fits the product nice and tight and snug. And then you just kind of pull this down, which I've made it too tight here. But yeah, so you loosen it up, just kind of twist this, and then you'll pull it down and it'll hold it nice and secure. So you kind of have to play with it until it's the right setting. And then on the back here, so now it's not going anywhere. And then on the back here, you can turn this until it's got your adjustment, which is also great because if you're riding and you see something, you can rotate it to whatever you want to look at. And then this will go on your front handlebar. They have this little rubber sleeve to keep it from getting scratched up. And then just loosen this and tighten it up until it's nice and secured. And then you can leave this on your bike and just take this off whenever you need to charge the flashlight. So, all right, so this device itself here, the bottom here you can unscrew. And this is the battery, but you don't really need to ever take this out because it is rechargeable with that USB cord that I showed you earlier. So we'll screw this back in here, like so. And down here on the bottom side is a little rubber flap. Just pull that open, and there is where you can charge it up. So now, on the front side is the power button. Once again, so just turn that on and it will shine the main light in the middle. You can pull it forward to focus and defocus just like a normal flashlight. Press it again and the side lights now will turn on, which are fully adjustable. So you can kind of position them in any way you want. So I like to ride with these kind of facing towards the ground, so that way you see the sidewalk, and then this goes forward. So you press it again, and now all three are on. And so this is what I use it in. So that way you can see the ground, and then you can also see in front of you. And then you can press it again, and it's got a strobe effect. And then that's basically it. So very versatile, a great little device if you like to go for night rides or more importantly, like when you're kind of get off work, especially in the winter and it's starting to get dark by the time you finish. This is a great little device. And it works also as a nice flashlight if you run in a pinch and you need a flashlight. So that is basically it. Feel free to hit me up with any questions or comments. I do typically respond. And I'll include information below on how you can find this and check out what other people are saying on it and see if it's right for you. Until the next video, you guys take it easy. Later. You, my friend, are awesome because you made it to the end of the video. Now, if you want to be a true legend in my eyes, please hit that subscribe button. And in the meantime, if you want to check out some other videos, I would appreciate it. Till the next review, you guys take it easy.